Sylvain Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Cyrene, the bastard brute.
Go, brilliant start from Marquez from pole. It's
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso
I think
as well?
it is!
Unbelievable!
Fire from the
Down he went, won the factory Ducati, clattered into
Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
nowhere to get into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get the
Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
down the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around Maggots and Beckett. Quartararo
Into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get
For Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
down the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around.
Into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
Give a Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
down the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around Maggots and Beckett.
The high